Guys, we're almost at Batstow Village. Let's go catch some fish. Alright guys, we made it to this place. We are here at Batstow Historic Village. And we're going to be doing a mix of multi-species fishing today. Also, some pickerel fishing. So stay tuned, and let's get some fish. Alright, there's the first cast. Let's get lucky. Oh, fish on! Ah, it came off! First cast. Yeah, I had a fish. Damn. Oh yeah, fish on, fish on. Fish on. Oh, fish on. Fish on. Oh, it's a pickerel. First fish of the day. A pickerel. Ah, crap.
You're a dang old pickle. You're a nice old pickle. I like it. Stand by. Give another year.
What do you have to say?
Pickle.
No, I can't. Oh, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on. Oh God, it's a big. Fish on, fish on. Don't snap me off, Mr. Pickerel. Don't snap me off, Mr. Pickerel. Fish on, fish on, fish on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now get away from that tree, Mr. Pickerel. Mr. Pickerel, get away from that tree. Mr. Slime Dart, get out of there. Oh, fish on. Get out of there, Mr. Pickerel. Mr. Pickerel. Big old pickerel. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a nice one right there. That's a nice pickerel right there, Glenn.
That's jumping.
He's small, but that's pretty.
That's a good size.
That's a good size pickerel. That's what we're looking for.
That's one of the biggest I've ever seen.
Oh, they get much bigger than this.
Oh, I believe it.
9 pounds, I think is the state record. This is probably about 1.5 pounds, probably. Oh yeah. Oh.
There you go, you pickle.
Pickerel.
Get back in there, dang old chicken.
He's gone. He gone. Right on that little minnow.
I hope.
Well, those 2 bites came very easy. Oh, not really. I did lose some fish that did not feel like pickerel. They felt like perch, bass maybe. One really fishing here for today is here we are. Oh, it came off. Damn. He picked it up again. I'm looking for perch and some striper. That's my goal. And I think I lost what felt like a perch. I'm not sure. But we're fishing this. This is the Upper Moloka River. I'm throwing around this little. I don't think I really showed it good, but little minnow bait. A little plastic minnow on a 132 ounce jig head, I believe. Here at my buddy Coop. Oh, that's something picked it up. Here at my buddy Coop. Oh, something picked up again. Let's get a fish. That's the goal. It's a Mr. Crappie minnow. I'm using a salt and pepper flake kind of deal. I'm just simply working it. We are here at the Moloka River. It's the very upper part of it. It's not the most upper part, but this is the most upper part of it that's on a lake. So basically what I mean is from here to the ocean, it's just a river. So that's why it makes it a really good spot to try to catch some river perch, some white perch, yellow perch, possibly striper. That's my goal today, is to catch either a small. Oh, fish on, fish on, fish on. It's a nice one. It's a nice one. No, it came off. Oh my gosh. That didn't feel like I'm getting all tongue-tied here. That didn't feel like a pickerel. That felt like something big. Did not feel like a pickerel, whatever that was. Did not feel like a pickerel. Whoa. Ooh. Well, at least if I fall, it makes a good camera. It makes a good video. Into whatever I just had again. You never know what you're gonna get in this in these kind of rivers, you know? Anything could be in here. Hurt my knee pretty bad. Oh, that felt weird. Something. I don't know. No, guys. Let's Ooh. I came here for two things: perch, big perch of all size, of all kinds, yellow and white, maybe even pirate if they're in here, and also some stripes, some striped bass. I think I lost a striper because fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, whatever that is. What you be? Oh, it's a big pick. Oh, it's a big pick. Oh my gosh. Oh, we came off. Oh. Ah. Well, at least I knew what it was. Ah. Dang it, man. And for future reference, if you're fishing pickerel infested water, it's always a good idea to check your line. I'm retying right now because that pickerel, because I definitely made my line frayed. And if you're using 4-pound test, you know, it's not ideal pickerel line. Yeah, I just lost another big pickerel. I lost a bigger pickerel. I'm so tempted to let you fish, dude. But you don't know who's looking in the trees.
You never know, boy. You never know.
Exactly. So, I mean, I want to risk it. That's a heavy fine on your part.
Oh, yeah.
So, I recommend you get a license.
Oh, yeah.
$22. That's all it is.
Oh, shit. That's not bad at all.
Huh. Better than a $200-something ticket. That's for sure. Never mind. I thought I had it out. I guess I got snagged again. Well, I was just funny. I was just snagged, and I got out of it, and I left my rod there because I was turning on my camera again. And well, I'm snagged again. So seems like this creek is full of pickerel of all sizes and snags. I got out. That's awesome. All right, cool. Let's fish. Oh yeah. Fish on, fish on. Oh, it's a pick. I wonder, yeah, I wanted that too. Oh, quick release, I think, if he knows where to go. He gone. He gone. Hey, no, yo, go. Hey, get out of here. You're free. Oh yeah. Back to fishing.
Back to fishing.
Oh, let me go over here. I'm not doing that. Screw that. Oh. That fucking. Oh, fish on, fish on. What you be? Oh yeah. Stickerel. Stickerel, stickerel. What a surprise. Oh, he gulped it. Don't snap the line, please. Got him on Kitech. Kitech in action. Oh, no. Oh, my gosh. He snapped me off right at the shoreline. Ah, that would have been suckish if that actually, what was just about to happen happened. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh, he's got eggs on him. He's got some eggs. Oh, yeah. And yes, I am lipping a pickerel right now. I do not recommend it. Do not recommend it. Pickerel are extremely toothy. Okay. Well, there's another pickerel. He's got eggs. Yeah. Got another stickerel. I'm throwing a much bigger bait now. So that's hopefully gonna help me get more control over these fish compared to the little tiny minnow I was using on 4-pound test line. The pickerel are not easy to catch on mono at all, or any sort of line that snaps easy. Their teeth are just horrid, and I noticed, oh, something flashed at it. Oh yeah. Oh, right at the shoreline I had one. Ah. That sucks. Pickerel are not fun to catch when they're small. These fish are actually, looks like they have some size. Simply just dropping along, I'm casting along this current, and the pickerel on the bottom. So unfortunately, by the looks of it, this place is loaded with pickerel, and they're actually spawning right now because they have eggs in them. Oh. Maybe I can hook in that pickerel again. Who knows? Right there's where I have him. Oh, got him. Oh, got him that time. I don't know how good he's hooked, but oh, he's pulling me around. Nice. That's a nice pickerel. That's probably the nicest one of the day. And he won't snap me off because my line's nowhere near his teeth. Oh yes, oh yes. That's a nice pickerel. Pickerel. Hold on. Let's get a quick picture of him, guys. Don't mind me. 18 more minutes. Barely hooked. I let it drop because I had one on. And there's Ryan. I think that's him. Is that Ryan? Oh, that's not Ryan. It looked like him for a second. Like pickerel. Pickerel don't get enough credit that they deserve. They deserve credit, guys. He on. Spot's loaded with pickerel. I think they're... I just kind of dropped it down in that area just in case there's another one. Oh, I felt like a tap. Yeah, I don't know, guys. I think this place is just loaded pickerel. I was kind of hoping that perch would be apparent here, and there'd be a lot of perch, but like I said, any kind of action is good action, you know. There's still time to catch something different. There could be one of them nice perch or striper everyone's been raving about. So I don't know. Gonna have to call it quits soon, though. That's for sure. Getting in that current. That's where the fish are. Am I supposed to go up there? Alright. Sorry about that. Alright. I'm sorry about that. Leaving this spot now.
What's going on? What? Sorry about that.
Yeah, I gotcha. It's all good. Have a good day. I guess we're just gonna head up now. Well, I think that just about wraps up the day. Didn't intend on catching that many pickerel, so I guess all in all, it was a good video. I went there to do completely a couple different things, to search for some striper, some perch, but you know, when I get onto a good pickerel bite, it's never a bad thing. We're in traffic right now. We're in Hamilton right now. It's very very urban. But I'll catch you in the next video. And I just gotta say thank you for the 151 subscribers. That definitely made my week seeing that, and I appreciate the support that I get from everybody. I promise more videos in the future, and hopefully as I improve my channel and maybe gain subscribers, I can improve my videos and make them more watchable, better editing skills, maybe some music, you know, have all that in there. But I'm gonna head home now, and I'll catch you next time. See ya.